Welcome back to part 2. We didn't finish it, so we're going to do more. We have to find the leaf. Let's go. I don't know where's the leaf. Now we have to check it off. The next thing we have to find is the dog. Go over here. I guess we have to wait for later. Now we have to find the spider web.